Re-NEET is going to happen tomorrow, and I know so many mixed feelings are going on. Maybe this video will come out tomorrow, and today I'm shooting it. One aspect of this video is just to tell you how your life will change for the good, for the better, when you step into your medical college, and how your first medical college, your first year will appear like, will feel like. So, hi, I am Kamya and I'm a final year medical student from a private medical college. So many students and so many people were asking in my last video, like from where I'm doing my MBBS. So, yeah, I'm doing it from a private college. Talking about what we are going to expect in this first year, starting from academics, this is the one thing which will stay with you for the whole year. But I think we should have a life out of it. Perhaps if padhoge and you're not having a life around it, it's going to be very difficult. This is the 1 year when you will experience everything. You will build relationships with your seniors, your friends, get a life. I think you should have a life. Many of you will not be able to study when you just step into your first year. It's just post NEET inertia. So it's just one thing when after giving NEET exam, you probably don't want to study anymore, but I think you should start building a habit to study, like whatever lecture is going in your college and whatever the teachers are teaching you right now, because academics is the one thing which is very important in first year. We have 3 subjects in first year, like anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. In your first year, this is the one time where you will not be wanting to study after your NEET exam. It's the post NEET inertia, where there's so much of static in your head, like आपको पढ़ने का मन नहीं करेगा. You just want to have a life outside your academics, which is great. I guess it's the best thing that you will do for yourself. But I think you should start studying. Like in your first year, we have 3 subjects: anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. But you don't want to study it. And when you just get inside your college, you don't want to study. You just want to build relationships, have fun, but that's okay, that's good. But I think you should start studying, and the best way to start studying is just grab a book of anatomy and start reading any topic. And I would suggest to start reading with general anatomy. So this is the one book which you have in your anatomy, which is like a very small concise book. You just start reading with any topic you like, and you will have the habit of reading. Reading is the one habit जो आपको inculcate करनी पड़ेगी अपनी studies के साथ, because you don't have to be relying on the videos all the time. YouTube में we have enough sources and they are actually great. I know I've been studying from them and it's great, but start reading. Reading is one thing which people are very scared of. They don't want to read so much of the content and just have a video. So yeah, start reading with general anatomy, and you will have 4 more parts of BT Chorasiya for your anatomy. Then for physiology, you have another book. I've read GK Paul, and there's another standard book like Guyton and Hall. Personally, I don't like Guyton and Hall, but this is the one standard book like people have been studying for years, and I think it's good. The author wise, the content wise, it's great if you can read it, but it was not my piece of cake. So yeah, I was not doing it. And for the biochemistry, we have Satyanarayan, the one book that you should be studying. Okay, there are so many other books like Lippincott and so many other books, like if you can study. But I think for me, Satyanarayan was one source that was great. You can also be watching so many videos for your biochemistry videos if you can just rely on them. Like this is the content of your first year, like 3 subjects, 3 main books. And for anatomy, there are other parts for anatomy, like osteology for bones and histology for tissues and embryology. Like embryology, people students don't read embryology that much, and it's basically the most important thing. Like you have to know where the organ have just grown out from. So many important questions are there in your first year prof exams, which is just embryology. The development of heart is the one basic important question. So yeah, start reading embryology also. So talking about schedule, the first year college looks basically very similar in many colleges. From 9 to 10, you have your first theory class. It can be any, like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. Then from 10 to 11, you might have another theory class. And from 11 to maybe 12:30 you have your dissection hall and your first practical. So like this is the first practical that you will be attending from anatomy, like your dissection hall, and this is your routine. Dissection hall is the one time when you can read about your anatomy. Basically, this is the most important time when you can just open your anatomy books and start reading, start learning, and do have a look for cadavers. Many students don't rely on dissection, they just don't participate in this, and I think this is best way to learn anatomy. Talking about after 12:30 you might have a break, and after 1 to 2 you might have another practical class of anatomy, physiology, or biochemistry. In anatomy you have your histology lab or your osteology, anything. From physiology you have classes for hematology, your clinical examination, your amphibian lab class. For your biochemistry you have another practical. So after 1 to 2, after attending your class, you have, after 1 to 2:30 or 3, you have your another theory class like 3 to 4. This is your last theory class. Many students don't attend the complete college, they just start skipping the second half of the college. So please don't do that, start attending the whole college, and it's important, I guess. I don't usually attend many of the classes, but I think you should start doing it if you can, because it's very important. This is the first year, is the one time when you will start having the freshers and senior junior interactions. Start doing it. Actually this is very helpful because सबके कॉलेज के अपने रूल्स होते हैं, I think. In my college the situations are very different. Like my college and your college can be very different in many aspects. Your senior will the one and the only person who can tell you how to survive this. So basically start interacting. But one thing that you should be very aware of: raggings. Do not like, never participate in this. Do call out those seniors who are just forcing you in this. Your college faculty is there, like every faculty is there for you. You don't have to be scared of anything. Okay, for your freshers is the one time very special moment for many students, the first glamorous time for first year, and I think you should do take a part on this. So now how can we fit our studies into this schedule? This is the basic question. Like if you're going college like from Monday to Saturday, it's very, like in some college it can be an off day for Saturdays, but I think many colleges don't have a Saturday as an off day. So how can you fit your studies in this? I think it's quite important to know. देखो, अगर आपके पास anatomy है, you can complete your anatomy lectures in your DH only. So DH is the one time when you can study your anatomy, complete your anatomy lectures. Yeah, this you can complete it. But I think the whole of your physiology, biochemistry, you don't have the luxury to complete it at home because it's very hectic. So according to me, you should use your weekends as your best, because weekdays are just for your, whatever time is left, you can study 1 or 2 lectures or 1 hour or at max 1 hour. I didn't have the time. I was not able to study even that. So weekends was the one time when I used to, open my books and complete many chapters. Like this is the one time when you can use at max. Like Sundays are the time, or if you have Saturdays, use it for the best. In your first year we have stages for anatomy. This is very important. So it's very, people are very paranoid according for this stage. So yeah, जब भी आपको anatomy में कुछ पढ़ाया जाता है एक हफ्ते में, तो they will like tell you to make journals, like all the diagrams from BDC, and they will have a viva for you. So this is the time when you can complete your syllabus with the stages only. So आपको terminals में and your prof exams में कोई problem ना हो for your send ups also. So I think you should start completing your syllabus from your stages only. This is best way to complete your syllabus because you have a target. You don't have to rely on terms, because we have only 2 terms, like first terminal, second terminal, then we have send ups, and then we have your final prof exam. Don't rely on that. Just do your syllabus one by one, part by part, regularly. So for physiology also, we, and biochemistry also, they also have like regular class tests and have vivas also. So you have to complete it with those schedules only. And also जब आप क्लास में होते हो, like have a habit to start sitting in the front benches also, because अगर आप अपने professors को नहीं दिखोगे, they might not be very supportive for you in your exams. So if you're a very good student, a regular students according to them, they might help you also. They're very helpful if you have a good impression on them. So अगर आपकी habit है कि आप आगे बैठते हो and you have a very good impression on your professors, so the things are going to be very easy for you in your first year. So yeah, now talking about your books, I think you should have a hard copy for your books. Don't rely on iPads for first year, because this is a time when you can start having a habit of reading your books, right? Reading करने से we have a confidence. Like, I know reading is something which is very boring. We didn't want to read so many pages and you know. So अब हम यूट्यूब पे कितनी वीडियोस अवेलेबल होती है जिससे हम जल्दी जल्दी टॉपिक को एक बार में समझ लेते हैं, देन वी हैव आवर ओन नोट्स एंड जस्ट गो विद इट. बट आई थिंक स्टार्ट एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट हैविंग अ हैबिट ऑफ reading for BDC. Like, BDC is compulsory, you have to read it. And for your exams, like have a senior और उनसे सारी मार्किंग्स ले लो जो आपके एग्जाम में आती है, एंड मेक अ स्टार नोट or make a notebook like for your important topics and give a good look for those topics, right? So yeah, this is how you should prepare for your exams in your first year. Have a habit for studying, read, don't rely on just YouTube videos, and build a notebook for your important topics, and have a good relationship with your seniors, because they are the one who will tell you कौन सा topic important है, right? Talking about practicals, I've already told you you have practicals in your daily schedule. So there are three types of practicals in your subjects. So the first one is dissection hall. Very important. You will be having a cadaver, which was once a living body, and they are respected. You know, they donated their body for the good, for the noble cause, and I think they should be respected very well. And you should be having a proper attire that is going to be instructed to you by your teachers. In anatomy, we have another practical, that is histology. In histology, you will be provided with a microscope and some slides where you have to just note down which from which tissue this is going to be taken. Like, it can be any, like from intestine, from GIT, from bones, from uh, connective tissue, like it can be any. Next practical we have is for physiology, where you're going to be having your hematology clinical examination for your respiratory system, abdomen, your central nervous system, and your CVS. So these are the practicals which are very important and very neglected also, because this is the time when you can learn about your how to examine and how to perform general examination. अगर आपको अभी ये same चीज़ नहीं आई, I think this is going to make your life very difficult in your final exam, when जब आपको same चीज़ medicine में करनी होगी, and they are going to be demanding the same type of thing. In biochemistry, you will learn about your amino acids, lipids, sugars, and this is the one time when you will learn about your experiments on these compounds. So yeah, in many colleges the biochemistry department is the sweetest one, but in my college this was the most strict department of my college, of my entire college of 4 years. So yeah, it depends on you, it depends on your college. So yeah, start attending these practicals, because these are very important for your core clinical aspects in your final year, your medicine, your surgery, your OBGYN. So these are the most demanding subjects, right? So from the very start attending those things. Okay, so we are now officially at the very last segment of our video, where I will tell you what you have to have in your first year. Okay, so first year you will be having your lab coat, very important. In your first year you will be having those with you all the time. You have to, you know, write your roll numbers provided by your college in your site. Okay, the second thing, you will have your stethoscope, your BP apparatus, your basic clinical examination tools, which will be told you by your college. For anatomy, you will be having a set of bones. Yeah, for your osteology, you will have to purchase your bones from vendors who are selling those. I think this will be told you by your college also. Yeah, this is it. This is how your first year going to be. I wish you all the best for your first year and your NEET exam, and I hope you will see your next chapter very soon. So yeah, have a good day.